Hi guys, it's going down. I'm on my way to go surprise my husband at work. He accidentally left his glasses at home, and Tyler and I is going to visit him. He have no idea that we're coming. He can't do without his glasses. He's half blind. He can't see anything. So say hi, Papa. Say hi, Boo Boo. Hey, say hello. Say hello. The sun is in his face. So we're about to go surprise him and give him his glasses. He don't have no idea. He have the least idea that I am coming. So here we come. So we're walking because work is like 10 minutes away. So we're just walking 10-15 minutes walk. So we're just walking to my husband's work. So see you guys when I get there to surprise him. He won't have a clue. I always do this though. I always surprise him and he doesn't have a clue. He always babe, what are you doing here? But I like to give him surprises, you know. So I'm about to give him a surprise. He's gonna be so shocked. We're walking. I just love to see the trees like this. Isn't it beautiful? It's so neat. Hey babe. Hey babe. Hey. Hey Papa. So my baby's out, y'all. He's knocked out. He's out sleeping. Not even sure that he'll see his papa when we get there. But we're almost there. And he's out. I'm about to call babe now. Hi babe.
How are you?
I'm outside with your glasses.
I was sure it when I hear this. Alright, I'm coming.
No.
I love you.
I love you too. Babe going back to work. Bye love.
Mwah. That's my son. Mwah. My lovely son. Mwah. Miss Daddy? Mwah.